Hello, and welcome everyone to today's podcast. My name is Andrea Flores, and today we have a very interesting topic that is affecting everyone in different levels. We're going to be talking a little bit about violence against women in Mexico. And the reason why we're going to talk about this topic is because of an ongoing campaign called Violence Against Women in Mexico. Now, the name of this campaign is very specific, and it certainly outlines the need of change in Mexico. Violence against women is a great issue that hasn't been addressed in the right way for decades. And this violence presents in different forms. It can happen in a relationship, in their own homes, in their workplace, or even just walking home. The government has tried in the past to find a solution to this problem, but it seems that all their interventions have been unsuccessful. And as a result of this violence, the victims get physical, psychological, sexual, and even moral damage. This not only causes damage to the victims, but also to their families, their communities, and sometimes even to their countries. And I know it's not easy to talk about a topic like this, when women get paid less for doing the same job as men. I know it's not easy to talk about a topic like this when 6 out of 10 women have suffered from different types of violence in their lives. I know it's not easy to talk about this topic when almost half of the women in Mexico have been sexually assaulted. It's not easy to talk about a topic like this when every day 9 women die in Mexico. It's not easy to talk about all these hard problems. But in order to get to a solution, the problem has to be addressed. Now, this campaign against women violence seeks to create a safer environment for women by promoting equality and creating awareness of this problem, by reaching out not only to women, but to men to work together in finding a solution for a better world for these and future generations. If you wish to know more about this campaign, we encourage you and invite you to visit our website and participate in our programs and ongoing events. Stay tuned for next Thursday for our next podcast, where we're going to talk more about this topic and we're going to hear the testimonies of strong women that will for sure inspire you. Thank you for listening. My name is Andrea Flores, and it was a pleasure being your host today. Have a nice day, and goodbye.